Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to manage user permissions in Mautic. Let's get started. The ability to manage user permissions allows you to maintain privacy in your CRM. This feature is especially useful if you have multiple Mautic users who each play a different role in your team. When you create a new Mautic user, you can set certain user permissions to determine what they can and can't do in your system. When your school first begins using our Mautic CRM, HEM will create roles with appropriate permissions for your team according to your school's specifications. But you can also create new roles at any time if you need to. If you want to edit the permissions of an existing contact, you can do so as well. To create a new user with a specific role, first click the gear icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. In the sidebar menu that opens, then click Users. There, you can create a new user by clicking New in the top right-hand corner. In the New User Builder, you can manage the permissions of your new user by selecting which role they are to occupy, using this drop-down menu here. Once you're done, simply press Apply in the top right-hand corner, and then you can save and close using this button here. If you want to alter the permissions of existing contacts, all you need to do is change their role. To do so, first navigate back to the Users section of Mautic. Then, click on the name of the individual whose role you would like to change. You'll then be brought to the same builder, where you can edit their role using the drop-down menu, and then click Save and Close to update it. If you want to change the permissions of a role, simply go to the Roles menu using our Settings button and the Roles selection, and then click on the name of the role you wish to edit. If the role you are editing has full system access, you will need to turn it off in order to be able to edit its permissions. When this is done, click on the Permissions tab. You will then be shown a list of all the available permissions, which are grouped into different categories. To add or remove specific permissions, simply click on the relevant category, and then check or uncheck the permissions you wish to change. When you've edited the permission to your liking, you can click Save and Close. And that's it! Now you know how to manage user permissions in your CRM. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.